guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this Coachella look. I really hope you guys enjoy watching it. If you're ready to see how I created this look, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you are new, hi, my name is Glam Rosa. Welcome to my channel. Now let's get ready to slay our face. So I already did my skincare. We're just gonna jump straight to foundation. So I'm just gonna pretend that I'm going to Coachella because I'm not going to Coachella. It's tomorrow and today is Friday and it's not happening. Anyways, I'm gonna pretend. So if I was going to Coachella, I will go with the full coverage foundation, but at the same time I want a little bit of luminosity to my skin so I can be glowing. You know, I want to look like the goddess. So I'm gonna be mixing a foundation. I'm gonna go in with this NARS All Day Luminous Weightless foundation, and for that full coverage look to it, I'm gonna add in some Maybelline 24-hour full coverage foundation. Look at this skin. It covered up my life secrets. Now to highlight and conceal, I'm gonna go in with Tape Shape because it's a full coverage and it's gonna have me looking good all day and night. Now that we're back and looking somewhat snatched, now I'm going to set where I put the concealer, which I'm going to be using my Ride or Die Laura Mercier translucent powder because my girl doesn't let me down, unlike some people. Just saying. For the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with a Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Powder Makeup. Okay, now starting on the eyes, I did look at a lot of pictures so I can get inspired and come up with a look. So, picking up this big old boy right here, I'm going to pick up this beautiful warm shade in the palette, and this is gonna go all over my crease. Just like that. But before we keep going, I'm gonna pick up some translucent powder and I'm gonna apply it right at the end. Now picking up this brush, is still a fluffy brush but it's smaller than the one that I was using, and I'm gonna go in with this very warm brown in the palette, but I'm gonna pick it up just with the tip. I have such a dirty mind. And this is gonna go straight in our crease. After we're done with that, we're going to pick up the first brush we're using and we're just going to go along the edges to make sure there's no harsh lines. So we can't be walking around Coachella with harsh lines in our shadow. No. Now picking up this concealer brush, it's a flat brush. I'm going to go in with this teal shade in the palette. And I'm going to apply this to my whole lid. And depending how it looks, I might wet it to give it a metallic look. Oh, that's pretty just like that. Okay, it's really pretty just like that. But I do want to intensify it a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with some setting spray and I'm going to wet it. Ooh, you see that? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, there we go. I went ahead and went a little bit above my lid so it can be bigger when I open my eyes. Now, I am going to pick up another brush. A brush that looks like this. This is a brush from Ulta. This is the all over shadow side. I'm going to pick up a brown. Just a brown. And I'm going to put it on my outer V on top of that shade. Just like that. I kind of want the teal on the bottom too. So I'm going to go in with this Jordana Easy Liner for Eyes in the color teal. I'm going to line my waterline and my lash line. Wow! I actually like this. It went on very smoothly. Now picking up this flat brush. This is an e.l.f. brush and it's called eyeliner, but I will not use this for an eyeliner. Picking up that teal shade, I'm going to just stamp it right in top of that liner we just put down. Now picking up a pencil brush, I'm going to go back in that teal, grab a little bit right on the tip once again, and I'm going to smoke that out and see how that looks. I may go in with brown. So using that same brush, I'm going to go in the brown because I'm not feeling the way it looks, and I'm going to smoke out the end just like I did right here at the top. I'm going to do right at the end too. Now this looks much better. Now I want to go in with a little bit of glitter in my inner corner. So I'm going to use this glitter that I have right here. It's silver, using my NYX glitter to put that on. I want to add 3 dots of this right here. Let's hope I don't mess up. Ooh. Okay, I don't know if the camera sees that, but I can see that. Alright, now I'm gonna go and highlight my brow bone with Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter because I want my eyebrow to stand like bam, and this is gonna help it. Especially in this corner, I'm gonna make it as bright as possible, and then I'm gonna fade it out. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows really quickly before moving on. So I'm going to slay my eyebrows real quick. And to do that, I'm going to use NYC Gel Brow Gel. This stuff does not come out. This will be on all day, all night, next morning, next week. Girls, if you have not tried this, you need to jump on it. Eyebrows on fleek. Now I'm going to load up a mascara, which is this one right here in my hand. I love this mascara. I have not found one just like it, so you guys will see this every time. First I separate them, make them all be fluffy and separated, let that dry, and then I load up. Alright, now I'm going to load up a mascara. Now going in with these lashes. These are from Eyelure by Ann Lee. They're in the name So Lush. First time using these, but I think we'll go with this look because I still want my hard work to show. And these are wispy and separated. And let's see if I do like. Instead, I'm gonna go in with this one. These are from Eyelure in the style Marquise. I've been using these in lately all my looks because I'm obsessed. Now moving on back to the face, we're gonna snatch these cheeks, picking up the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Picking up my angled brush, I'm gonna go in with the middle shade, and because it's Coachella, we're going to snatch. We're snatching everything today. So I'm gonna make sure to cut these cheeks because we're going to Coachella. Do our forehead. We're going to contour the nose. At least try it. I don't think I'll ever do it right. Now picking up this brush right here, I'm going to go in the dark shade just because I want my cheeks to really pop. I'm going to focus it right here. Ooh, I grabbed a lot. Now going back with some translucent powder just to cut it even more. While my sideburns cook, I'm going to highlight. I'm going to go in with this Matchbox LA Lights blendable lip and cheek color. It's a cream highlight. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm not going to go over it. I'm going to put it on my finger. I'm going to tap it right here. Ooh, you see that? Just for a base, I want a beaming highlight today because I'm going to Coachella. I'm actually going to sleep after this. Now, on top of that, I'm going to add this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. And girl, we are going to be blinding. We're going to be blinding people. Ooh! All around. All around where the sun hits. I just want to glow. Girl, am I glowing or am I glowing? Now for the art that I'm going to use on my face is going to be actually like nail art. But I figure I do whatever I want. So these are going to be the little arts I'm going to use. I'll link them in the description down below in case you guys want to check it out. But I found them at Walgreens. Like super cheap. Okay, I'm going to... Oh, I don't think you guys can see it. I'm going to start with these at the bottom. And I'm going to stick them right under my eye. Like right where my eye is. Next, I'm gonna go in with this little line that drops down, like, and I'm gonna put that right under that one. Now I want to add some around my eyebrow. I'm gonna go in with this one's next. The first row, I'm gonna grab these two large ones and I'm gonna put them right on my brow bone right here. Now going in with these two big ones. I'm gonna go in with these little diamonds at the end. These two. These are the biggest ones. Now for the end of my eyebrow, I'm gonna go in with these. For the lips, I'm gonna go in with Jordana Hot Cocoa Lip Liner, and on top of that, I'm going to add this Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the name Unreal Gloss. There we go, you guys. This look is finally complete. This Coachella inspired look is done. I am ready to go to Coachella even though I'm actually going to sleep. But it's okay. It's in my bucket list, so I will be going one day. Maybe next year. Maybe the year after that. But one day I'm going to Coachella and I'm going to be slaying. Subscribe if you have not yet. And I will see you guys in the comments down below and on my next video. Bye!